Hi there! When do we use in, out, on, and off? Let's dive in. Starting with the basics, in is the opposite of out. So I put the book in the bag and I take it out of the bag. On is the opposite of off. We use them with surfaces. They can be horizontal, like a table, or vertical, like a wall. So I hang the picture on the wall and I take it off the wall, but not in the wall. What do we use in the wall with? Nails and screws, electrical wires, and pipes. Now we're in the kitchen and I'm actually cooking right now, so I'm going to show you a couple of things while I cook. This is called an induction stove, on which I've got my pot. So my pot is on the induction stove and I'm going to cook some pasta. So let's put the pasta in. Now my pasta is cooked, so I'm going to take the pot off the stove and I'm going to drain the water from the pasta. I'll see you at the oven. Now I've got everything mixed together and I'm going to bake it in the oven. I just took it out of the oven and now it's on the counter. It's ready to serve. When I open a new carton of milk, I keep it in the fridge. Now the fridge door is a surface and it's magnetic. Some people like to put magnets on the fridge, and you can also take them off the fridge. But anything that goes in the fridge can be taken out of the fridge. So remember, in with out and on with off.